So hey guys, if you want to use your mobile or your PC as a microphone in your another device, so you can use this app that's called Audio Relay. You can use your laptop or mobile as a server to send audio to another device. Also, you can use player to receive audio from another device. Like if you use this Mac as your server, so you can use that Mac mic to your phone. You will listen in your phone if you are speaking or talking in your microphone of your Mac. You have to install that app on both devices to use microphone from both devices, like as a server or as a player. But if you want to use your mobile phone microphone in your Mac, so you can use your desktop, your PC and your Mac as a player. This will play the audio from the another another device, which you can use as a mic like your mobile phone or anything else. So this app will be very helpful for you in your productivity works like video editing and something else you want to use, or on your video call and etc. Hope you love the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this, guys.